folks, I have a really nice tenor ukulele to show you today. This is number 764, and it's spruce and walnut. And great wood combination. One of the things I like about spruce is it's very strong, but it's very light. So you can build lightly with it, which I think the lighter weight helps an ukulele sound like an ukulele. When they get too heavy, they sound kind of dumpy. So in this case, we've got some beautiful walnut on the back and sides. This is the same walnut as the instruments I've made for Dave Matthews. Some cool little marks in the walnut there, kind of curly. Walnut binding, simple walnut binding. And the spruce for this one comes from my dulcimer maker stash. This might be the second to last instrument I get out of this pile of wood. It's a guy who in the 60s bought a big pile of Sitka spruce, thought he'd make dulcimers with it, never used it. Passed on to my friend Steve, who passed it to me, even had the receipt with it, and I've just about used it up. I was able to use some spruce and walnut for the neck as well. This is a piece of kind of salvaged spruce from my friend Craig's shop. It had all kinds of beauty marks and little flaws in it that I think just add to the character. And then we've got some pistachio here. And did I say walnut binding? Yeah. And I think with the spruce top and walnut back and sides, it's just poppy. You know, it's got a nice front end to the note, but it's not too bright. Pretty cool. It's got great sustain. So, I mean, this is what I love about making instruments. It's like really simple design, simple execution, and simple beauty, but they play easy and they sound great. So, yeah, number 764 ready to go. Cheers.